In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view all invoices in QuickBooks Online. Whether you're a business owner or an accountant, keeping track of invoices is an essential task for managing your finances effectively. QuickBooks Online provides a straightforward way to review all your invoices in one place, and I'll guide you through the process step by step. First, you'll want to log into your QuickBooks Online account. Once you're in, take a look at the panel on the left side of your screen. Here, you'll see a variety of options that categorize different parts of your financial world. But we're going to focus on the option labeled Sales. Click on Sales, and you'll notice a new set of tabs appearing. Next, direct your attention to the Invoices tab. This is where the real magic happens. By clicking on the Invoices tab, you'll open up a comprehensive list of all the invoices related to your account. This page serves as your central hub for invoice management, providing an organized, at-a-glance overview of all your current financial documents. To ensure you're seeing everything, you'll need to adjust a couple of settings. Look for the filter settings, typically located near the top of the list. You'll find an option labeled Status. Change this setting to All. This action ensures that invoices of every status, be they paid, pending, or overdue, make it into your view. On top of that, check the date filter as well. Set the date range to encompass all your invoices. This way, no matter when the invoice was created, be it last year, last month, or last week, it will be displayed. Now that you've adjusted these filters, let's look at how you can maximize what you see at one time. Direct your gaze to the top right of the table, where you'll find a gear icon. Clicking this icon will bring up a set of options to fine-tune your viewing preference. Here, you'll find a choice for the number of rows displayed. Set this number to the maximum, which in this case is 300. By doing this, all your invoices will be displayed on a single page, providing an easy-to-scroll overview without the need to flip through multiple pages. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully configured QuickBooks Online to show you all your invoices in one comprehensive, easy-to-navigate view. It's a simple yet effective way to maintain oversight of your incoming and outgoing transactions, ensuring you stay on top of your financials with minimal hassle. Thanks for watching, and make sure to check out our other videos for more QuickBooks tips and tricks.